always present in God's world, every moment, every breath if we choose. And what is God's presence but love? Let's be here now, together, in this moment. If this is comfortable, I invite you to close your eyes or look down and begin to breathe slowly and deeply through your nose. And let your breath go out through your mouth. You have no worries, no burdens. Breathe again deeply, in and out. Sink deeper into the chair. Can you feel a shift in your physical self? A calming, a lighter self? The foundation of touching God is your breath. As you breathe in, direct your breath to your heart. Imagine with each breath that you are lighting up your heart with a warm, bright light. Notice how your heart feels. Now I invite you to place your hand on your heart or your heart space. How does that feel? Did you know that placing your hand over your heart actually causes the release of a chemical in your brain to create safety, bonding, and connection? It's a gesture that's soothing to the nervous system. But more importantly, placing your hand over your heart also blurs the lines between physical and spiritual. It connects you to God. Keep breathing calmly, slowly, and sink deeper into your heart space. This is where you will find the depth of love. Love is everywhere. It is inside of us and all around us. Yet, how do I know what love looks like? Love does not have one face. There are so many ways it can be shared and expressed. How can I love? Let my words be your words. As you breathe in and release. I can have compassion. Love is kindness. I can listen and not say a word. I can be there. Love is being present. I can hug and hold and say, everything will be all right. Love is comfort. I can speak softly and choose my words and actions carefully. Love is gentle. I can give thanks for all I have and am able to share. Love is gratitude. I can keep my mind and body safe and healthy. Love is taking care of myself. I can express what's important to me. Love is creative. I can know no one is perfect. Love is understanding. I can do my best to make things better. Love is effort. I can celebrate those I've loved before. Love is remembering. I can find goodness in a kind word, a helping hand, or a shared smile. Love is tiny gestures. I can breathe in the air that the whole world shares and know all creatures are made from the very same stardust. Love is connection. As you continue to gently breathe, bring to mind a moment when you felt completely loved and safe. It could be time shared with a parent, a pet, a teacher, a friend, or a kind gesture or word that made you feel that way, just that moment. Notice how your heart feels, and let that feeling travel through your whole body. You are connecting to the one true emotion God gives us. Love. That's what God gives us. Love. Holding on to that. Hold on to that feeling and breathe in and affirm, I am loved and I am love. Breathe and affirm, I give love. Not to me, but through me. Imagine this warmth and light in your heart connecting you to others at the world. I am love. You are love. We are love. Affirm this to yourself. And with love, we can change the world. We will weather any storm, and we will light up the sky with love together. Now for the next few moments, stay in this warmth and love of God's embrace of love. As you come back, remember, expressing love is your love letter to the world, as each one of us is worthy of love in all its forms and expressions. And we are all capable of adding light to the world when we listen to our hearts and choose love. Imagine our world when we extend our hands in kindness, gentleness, creativity, comfort, gratitude, understanding. Imagine our world when we extend our hands in love. Look for love in every face, every gesture, in every moment. Love your family, your friends, those you agree with and those you disagree with. Love yourself with abandon. Love with your whole heart, because that's what love is, a heart of wholeness. There are too many just okay things in life. Love must never be one of them. Love with intent. Love like God loves you, madly, passionately. Meet each crisis or fear with love. Be fearless in love. My friends, start each day with your heart open in love. Thank you.